Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're going to be making a bracelet inspired by The Lion King. Okay, Susan, so per usual, my morning ritual is I wake up and I just start singing Be Prepared. It is my favorite Disney song. I love Scar. Favorite Disney character of all time. Oh my gosh, and I was just thinking, I love this song so much. I want to do something like that kind of reminds me of this. So I'm thinking something like kind of dark, something edgy. So want to see
Dark
what you
and
come up
edgy.
with.
You know, I have these lava beads.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's cool, right?
That's perfect.
That's dark. That's edgy.
Yeah.
They have the holes in them, you know?
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. And also Scar, like, there was the lava in Simba's face, so it's like, it's perfect.
That was mean.
That's perfect, yeah. I mean, he's mean, but he does what he's got to do.
He was mean. Okay, yeah, so I've got lava beads, and I'm thinking like a stretch bracelet, maybe with if we could find like a really cool kind of rugged looking lion bead.
Okay.
That'd be cool, right?
Yeah, I'm into this. All right, so let's see what we got. So
Okay.
we got a few pieces here. Some of the, what'd you call this?
Lava beads.
Lava beads.
What do you call it?
This is igneous, right?
Yes.
Igneous rock? Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
It's where the lava cooled so fast that the bubbles are literally trapped.
Oh, so that's why it's got like
all the holes.
extra
so
holes and stuff.
isn't that going to be kind of fun finding the holes in these beads? Aren't you excited about that?
Yeah, that's going to be a fun time. Yeah.
Anyway, but these are cool. So I've got these lava beads, and then we're going to use just some. I got some stretch cord. This is just a black elasticity because obviously I don't want to see it inside the beads. When you stretch them, you know, these are stretchy bracelets, and you see the cord.
Yeah,
and I
so
thought
that
it would
one's
look better if
okay.
we used a darker color. And then this is a 1 millimeter elasticity. It comes in like a 5, an 8, and a 1 millimeter, and you want to use the thickest cord that'll fit through your beads.
Okay.
So
Is it just because that's stronger, or that's
well, you just don't want a lot of friction on your cord, and if you
Okay.
use a thin cord on there, they're really going to move around a lot.
Oh, I see.
More likely to break.
Okay.
And we don't want your super edgy, cool bracelet to break.
Not at all.
Ever. Okay, so, and then I do have, you can tell me if this is cool enough for you,
Whoa.
okay? Look at this bead right here.
Yes, this is very cool. Oh man.
Do you like it?
Oh no, I love this. This is
And you know-
very cool.
So you think it's cool because of how it looks, right?
Yeah.
And so I think it's cool because, see, it's got this big hole. See that right there? I can hide the knot on the elastic bracelet. And I'm like really weird about elastic bracelets. I don't like to be able to see the knot
Yeah.
in my cord. I want it to look one continuous thing. So because
really
it has
smart,
that big
though.
hole,
Yeah.
we'll tie the knot inside the lion and you'll never see it.
All right. I'm so excited about this. All right. Yeah.
So this is a really easy project.
Okay.
The only
I like
hard-
easy.
I know.
I'm not the best at this, so.
I think that you're going to be an expert at this by the
Okay.
end of the day.
All right.
Maybe within the hour.
Then let's do this.
This is, like I said, the elastic cord. The only hard part about it is tying the knot.
Okay.
And this is kind of cool, but how to tie the knot is actually written on the back of the cord.
It's like they knew I'd be doing this.
It's like they did, but I'll show you too. So, all right. So I'm thinking we're probably going to need maybe between 15 and 17 of these beads. They're 10 millimeter beads. Actually, I think they're 12 millimeter beads. Yes.
Okay.
So I'm guessing, but what we're going to do is we're going to string on about 15, and then we'll bring it around your wrist, and I'll show you how to measure it to see if it's going to fit.
Okay.
And then once you get to that point, then we will add or subtract beads, and I'll show you how to tie it off.
Okay.
And I'm going to make one too, but mine's going to be plain because I only have one super cool lion bead.
Ah.
You can use these like aromatherapy too, which is kind of neat. You can actually put a little bit of like an essential oil into one of the holes and kind of let it soak in.
Yeah. So these will like hold the oils and stuff in them.
Well, you just kind of, absolutely.
Yeah.
They'll kind of soak into the bead. I think that's kind of neat.
That is pretty cool.
I have no idea who's in The Lion King. I don't know anything about
Okay.
this new movie.
Oh, I will fill you in.
Oh,
so
great.
the new Lion King movie is starring Donald Glover and Beyonce as Nala. So yeah, it's going to be
Really?
so exciting. I got 17. All right. Here we go.
Okay, so cool. So now to measure this, basically what we're going to do is I'm going to wrap it around your wrist. It's like you just knew. All right, and what you want is the beads just to touch and maybe overlap by half, okay?
Okay.
But we're overlapping by a full bead, so we're definitely going to take one off.
Get rid of one.
And let's put your lion on there. And then let's see. And it kind of depends if you want a little bit of looseness. So see how mine, I have a little bit of looseness here?
Yeah, yeah.
So I did a little overlap on that one, but this one, I just had the beads touching, so it fits right up against my wrist. It depends on what's more comfortable for you.
What exactly you want, okay.
Yeah. So let me just show you how you tie this. Obviously, you take off the bead stopper, but you've got your two sides. And have you ever tied a square knot?
I've tied shoestring.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yes. It's sort of like tying
like
your
that.
shoe knot,
Okay.
but a little bit more.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. So you want to go right over left.
Right over left.
Okay, with your tie your shoe knot, which if you're right-handed, that's probably what you did, but if you're not, then you may not have. And then for the other one, you're going to go left over right, but before you pull it tight, you're going to go that same cord, you're going to go through the hole again.
Oh, a double, okay.
Yeah, exactly. So now you see it almost looks like a braid.
Yeah.
See that right there? I think it looks like, to me it looks like a braid.
Yeah,
like
no, it kind of does, yeah.
Yes, so if you see those 4 twists, then you have done well.
You've done it?
Yes, and so then you want to pull that down tight to, yeah, keep pulling it. It should pull up tight to the bracelet.
To the bracelet.
And then what I like to do is kind of pull it from the bottom and then the top as well, so that you get it nice and tight. I believe in a lot of knots in my stretch cord. I sometimes even will tie it one more time.
The more knots, the better.
But you always want to make sure you pull it from the bottom and from the top to make sure that's not going to come out. But see, my knot's going to show, but it's not going to be that noticeable because it's black.
Because it's black,
and my beads are black. And then, if you really want to be super cautious, you can take some of this. This is called hypo cement. It's kind of a mess here. GS hypo cement. It's it's as strong as super glue, but it's more flexible, so it doesn't break down over time. So just pop a little bit of that on there. And I'll do the same thing on mine.
Quick dab of that bad boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you don't have to do much, just a little bit.
Yeah.
But if you've done all that, you actually can wear this bracelet right now.
Oh wow. Okay.
I used to just do the first knot that we did, and I would put the hypo cement on there, and then I would tell everybody, you can't stretch your bracelet for a half an hour. Don't touch it. But if you tie an extra knot or two on there, and you can hide it inside that bead.
Yeah.
You can wear it right away.
All right. That's perfect.
So now you just want to trim off your extra, and I always leave just a tiny tail.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bitty bit.
Right.
Yeah.
There we go.
Perfect.
Look at that.
Cute.
Look at that. Look how cool that is.
So cool. Yes.
That's so awesome.
Yes.
I love that.
And so
Like
let's
the
see.
black
I'm
and
gonna
the
see if it
gold
fits.
Oh, that's perfect.
That does.
That's perfect.
Is that a good fit?
Uh-huh.
Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we worked with today, check out the links down below. What's your favorite song from The Lion King?
Be prepared.
Tell us about it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now that you know a little bit about making jewelry inspired by The Lion King, you can say,
I made this.